Hi folks, I'm Washo from bestmusiccourses.com, and this video is going to be a full review of Jamorama, which is a popular online video course for guitar beginners. If you prefer learning the guitar at home without taking expensive private lessons and you want to improve your skills, keep watching. I'm going to show you how Jamorama looks inside and how it can teach you to play the guitar from scratch. You will also find out how much does it cost and what are the benefits and disadvantages. Many people know similar platforms for learning the guitar like Guitar Tricks, Jamplay or Truefire. I've tested all of them, so I can tell you my comparison of all these products. So in the end, you should know whether Jamorama is good for you or if there is some better option. If you want to try Jamorama, you can use my affiliate link in the description below this video, where you can also find links to reviews of other guitar courses. I tried to make this video helpful and informative. In case you like it, give me your thumb up or hit the bell icon and subscribe button, and don't miss other videos about online guitar courses and tips for musicians. Now I'm gonna start with my conclusion and basic information about Jamorama. Jamorama is a cloud-based website designed for learning acoustic guitar. It contains 11 courses with more than 275 video lessons. Except for the videos, every lesson contains sheets with guitar tabs and jam tracks. There is also a song library with video tutorials helping you to learn songs on the guitar. The instructor, McKenzie, explains the basics of playing the guitar, chords, strumming, fingerstyle and music theory. So what you will get in Jamorama is a straightforward program for guitar beginners. Although this product is promoted as a course for beginners, intermediate and advanced guitarists, I think the vast majority of content is designed only for beginners and late beginners. Unlike competing products such as Jamplay, Guitar Tricks or Truefire, which work as a membership type of websites with monthly or annually payments, Jamorama offers lifetime pricing. The mentioned websites contains hundreds of courses from different guitar teachers, while Jamorama is a project of one guitar instructor. After logging into your account, you will get to the main dashboard. As you can see, it looks very simple and clear. You can see all courses and song lessons, and there are also some other categories like store and blog, where you can find many useful information about guitars, lessons and gear. Jamorama offers 11 courses with different focus. Let's start with the beginner guitar method stage 1. You can read the basic information about the course or watch an introduction video. Each course also includes a series of jam tracks, which are ideal for practicing what you have learned in the lessons. Below them you will find a list of video lessons divided by weeks. The pace of learning is of course up to you, but I recommend sticking to a set schedule. Each week contains about 4 to 10 video lessons and supplementary material in PDF like guitar tabs, sheets and chord diagrams. The beginner method stage 1 is a course for complete beginners. In 40 lessons, Mark will explain how to hold the guitar and the pick, tune the guitar, play basic chords and strumming patterns. You will also learn a few famous guitar riffs and exercises. Let's play a short part of a lesson from this course.
For 2 bars. So the progression would be 2 bars of C, 2 bars of A minor, 2 bars of E minor, 2 bars of G, then repeated. Let's have a go at that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. So A minor, really easy change. E minor into G. Those chords work really well together. Now you might notice, if you have a look at the way I changed from C to A minor here, I left 2 fingers where they were. I'll show you that in a second.
As you can see, video lessons are shot from more angles, so you can see very clearly what and how to play. Once you finish this course, you can continue with stage 2. Mark will teach you how to play other chords, 12-bar blues, new rhythms and basics of soloing. 2-week beginner kickstart is some kind of shortcut for complete newbies who want to know guitar basics in a short time. There is also a course about fingerstyle that help you to improve this specific technique and playing with fingers. I'm not going to talk about other courses, but in this step you can see them all. Except for instruction on how to play the guitar chords, melodies, fingerstyle, blues and other things, Jamorama also contains song tutorials. These video lessons show you how to play famous songs from various artists, like for example U2, Ben Harper, Oasis, Pharrell, Phil Collins, R.E.M. and others. Every song tutorial contains more lessons, usually 4 or 5, that will show you how to play every part of the song.
There was this kid who got into an accident and couldn't come to school, but when he finally came back, his hair had turned from black into bright white.
Now I would like to tell you something about the instructor. McKenzie is an experienced guitarist who has played in many countries. Maybe you know him from his YouTube channel Mark the Guitar Guy, which has more than 100,000 subscribers. He is quite popular because his way of learning the guitar is understandable and easy to follow. Mark have already helped many students to learn the basics of the guitar. As I mentioned, Jamorama is a product that you only pay for once. The price is, in my opinion, adequate in quality and content. If you had calculated the price of Jamorama courses for 1 year, you would have paid $8.25 per month. And that's about half the price of several competing products. Jamorama doesn't offer free trial, but in case you don't like it, you can use 60 days money-back guarantee. To make this review complete, we need to look at alternative online guitar courses. When comparing Jamorama with Guitar Tricks, Jamplay and Truefire, we need to realize this is a different type of product. While these 3 alternatives contain hundreds of courses with different instructors, Jamorama is a one-man show course. Jamplay, Guitar Tricks and especially Truefire, with over 40,000 lessons, provide more content and interactive features that make learning easier. You can learn many music styles including rock, metal, bluegrass, jazz or classical music. I think these courses are better than Jamorama, but they are also more expensive. The biggest benefits of Jamorama are easy to follow content, clear interface and affordable pricing. When you are a beginner who wants to learn to play the guitar from the ground up and you want to stay on budget, Jamorama seems to be a reasonable choice. But in case you want to have a larger selection of lessons, more music styles to learn and better functionality, try Guitar Tricks or Jamplay instead. When you are an intermediate or advanced guitarist, you will find the best options in Truefire. This platform contains an insane amount of great courses and guitar lessons for a variety of music styles. Not to mention that some of these courses are created by top famous guitarists. I think Jamorama courses are a good solution for complete beginners who prefer learning the guitar at home. Thanks to the easy-to-use interface and easy-to-follow lessons, I can imagine these courses can be great for older people and seniors. When talking about music styles, Jamorama is focused on the blues, folk and pop rock. There are also several minuses, especially when comparing to competing products. The content in Jamorama is not so wide, deep and colorful, but I think more than 275 lessons are enough for, let's say, 1 year and more. You will have only one instructor, McKenzie, but the way how he is talking about the guitar, chords, melodies, songs, riffs is very understandable and easy to follow. What I miss here is a video functionality. There is no looper function and slow motion, and these are very helpful for learning. And also other features like interactive fretboard or interactive guitar tabs are missing. If you are looking for a simple guitar learning system, Jamorama can be a good option, but I think there are better ones. As I said, it has a clear structure, valuable content, but in many ways it lags behind competing products. Guys, I hope you liked this review. If so, you can support my channel by clicking the bell icon or the subscribe button. I hope you will find here valuable content, not only about online music education. Thank you very much for watching, enjoy your day and stay tuned.